ni komiti mar od bura mochung'ne loso budget chano medo omenda maromo bilion 200 budget mambalang' mariko omenda 2023 nyaka 2024. Jakom komitino Ndindi Nyoro lero ni omenda makamano idhi tigo de chulo gope mag piny Kenya masani koro romo mana trilion 10.2. Kaka jafumbo marwa Chris Owino leronwa, luoro to nitiere ni sirikal nyalo medo juogo jopiny usuru mamalo e siro budget makamano.
Kaoloso kod jofwamb weche bang' tieko romo mage kod jokome mag komiti mag od bura ewi budget mambalang' mar 2023-2024, jakom komiti mar od bura mochung'ne loso budget Ndindi Nyoro oyango ni gope ma piny Kenya nigo sani ochung'e trilion 10.2.
Government data, the last one I checked in the central bank was 10.25 trillion Kenya shillings. However, I must say that that has marginally increased because by that time, the dollar was not trading at the current level it is trading at in regards to Kenya shillings. So our debt is, we can say it's higher than 10.25 trillion Kenya shillings.
Kaluwore gi kweth mar Ndindi Nyoro, gichano medo omenda mambalang' maromo bilion 200 e budget mar hikomo mar 2023-2024 mar chulo gope bero sekta mar pur kaachiel gi mano mar somo.
The essence of these supplementary estimates is that we are revising our budget upwards by a tune of around 186 billion so far, and with the additional, with a few additionals that we may end up incorporating, we'll have additional expenditure of around 200 billion at the end of the process. And this is on top of the 3.744 billion trillion budget that we read earlier in June, which was 3.744 trillion. That is now being escalated to just around 3.95 trillion Kenya shillings.
Nyoro yango ni gope mag piny Kenya medore gi bilion 450 thuolo moro amora ma teko siling ma pacho kae oluor ka ipimo kod dola mar piny Amerika.
Anytime our Kenya shilling loses by 10%, and it has lost by 20% this year, a variation of the Kenya shillings to USD by 10% adds to our national debt 450 billion Kenya shillings without borrowing a single shilling.
Kopogore gi chulo gope, medro e budget mambalang' dhi bugo migawo mar pur kuom keto negi omenda maromo bilion 8.25 mar miyo jopur mbolea e nengo moyweyo e chak higa manyien.
The other very critical element why we had to revise the budget is because we need to capitalize other very important sectors in regards to Kenyans. One, we are adding 8.25 billion Kenya shillings into fertilizer subsidy. We are recapitalizing our fertilizer subsidy as we aim the long season where the planting will be done anytime before the close of this financial year.
Jopur mag niang' mosebedo ka bandho kembe gi kuom thuolo malach bende nyalo buonjo nyaka e bengi bang' komiti mar Ndindi Nyoro keto negi tenge omenda maromo bilion 1.5 mar miyo gi chudo.
The second provision that we have made in this supplementary is that we have added 4 billion shillings into coffee cherry fund. It goes into assisting the coffee farmers across the country. The other element is that we have put in money for sugar farmers, majority of whom are owed colossal amounts of money. We have provisioned over 1.2 billion Kenya shillings that will go into paying farmers in terms of arrears they are owed across the country, that is sugar farmers.
E sekta mar somo, omenda maromo bilion 5 ibiro tiyo godo e siro skunde mag sekondar madundo mag JSS e gero klese.
To make sure that the children of Kenya continue to go to school uninterrupted, we have been able to capitalize or to add more money into our JSS capitation. That is around 5 billion Kenya shillings on JSS. We have also been able to add more money into help and to also capacitate the new university funding model, making it a reality.
Ponono ne jo od bura puodho budget mambalang' kaka ochan kod kweth mar Ndindi Nyoro, kwan makamano dhi ting'o malo bajet mar hikomo mar 2023-2024 nyaka trilion 3.96. Pod oko yangore ni piny owacho dhi golo omenda makamano kanye, gino makelo luoro ni sirikal nyalo dhi nyime kod juogo jopiny osuru mamalo e siro bajet no. Chris Owino, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.
Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto ne ochako jiwo jo Kenya